Hi everyone, today I'm going to cook the most amazing dish, cottage cheese casserole with cherries. It's easy to make and doesn't take many ingredients. It's healthy and so good for breakfast. Let's do it! Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and I'm going to use 9-inch baking dish, greased and diced with semolina. And add in a bowl 3 eggs, room temperature. Add 2 cups this 460 grams of cottage cheese. Add 1/4 cup of milk, half cup of oat flour, half cup of sugar, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla powder, add a pinch of salt. Blend all together until your mixture is nice and smooth. Pour the mixture in the baking dish. Add half cup cherries on top, or you can use any cherries of choice. Bake for about 30 to 35 minutes. Our casserole is done. Let it cool in the mold for about 10 or more minutes. Then we come back to try the casserole. Now our casserole has cooled down to room temperature and let's cut a slice. I love it for breakfast as a snack. It's very soft taste and really delicious. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this recipe and see you later.